Hello everyone. It is the value system that defines us. What we think about ourselves and others too defines us. I can recollect a poem in which a young lad helps somebody's aged mother in crossing the busy road, thinking that someone would help his mother cross the busy road someday. It really touches our heart to know the young lad's thought process. We do come across some good people on a daily basis who leave an indelible mark because of their kind gesture. It gives us such a good feeling that humanity still exists. When I was working as a teacher, one day when I was struggling to take some liquid dish, it was a very young student who tilted the vessel to help me out during the lunch hour. By the way, I wasn't teaching that student. That a few seconds gesture is something I can't forget. And I respect that student for that gesture, though she doesn't know about it. There are some actions that really bother us, like murder, theft, robbery, lynching and corruption. Well, these are big things. There are small things that define our society. The way we talk to other people, what we think about them in their absence, the way we communicate in our workplace, and how we respect our elders matter a lot. We often speak great about some people. They could be good as a person or human being. What sets us apart from one another is our value system. It reminds me of a story where Christian, a lion, was looked after by three young men. After a few years, they felt that the lion had to enjoy the company of his mates. So they put him in a forest to grow with other lions. One day, they decide to meet Christian. They thought that Christian would not be able to recognize them. But to their shock or surprise, Christian ran at a rocket speed from a distance to meet them on seeing them. Can you imagine a lion behaving like that? Because we see that in our pets. Sometimes we don't see that in human beings. But there's one person who feels more comfortable and at home with animals rather than his fellow human beings. He is none other than the American poet Walt Whitman, who has lost so much faith in the race of man that he wants to turn and change his position with animals. Human beings have become mad, running after material possessions. They are a bundle of complications, contradiction, and confusion. Their conscience is not clear, and so they suffer from nightmares and weep for their sins. According to Whitman, animals, on the other hand, are calm, self-contained, and contented. They don't run after material things other than their food. They don't need to worship God, as they never suffer from any sense of guilt or sin. Ancestors of human beings share those tokens of love and understanding in the remote past. Unfortunately, humans have lost those virtues and tokens of love and understanding completely forever. It is the spirit of animals that is meant to reflect the truth in humanity. He respects animals because they have retained those values and tokens which humans seem to have already lost, as mentioned in Whitman's poem, Animals. Do you also feel the same? Do mention it in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated about my latest uploaded video. Thank you.